Careful, buddy. You okay? Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Give me a second. You need help? Okay, good. Wow, this thing can handle the wind. Wow, we have a new machine now for kiteboarding. Woohoo! No, we're lost. Look at that thing. Hover. Look at that. That doesn't even affect anything. Wow. Wow. Amazing. See that, guys? My kite is moving. This thing doesn't even move. Now you can see this thing is badass.